Right away.
4, do you think you could do it?
Why not?
We've got a problem, what should we do? Who's going out there? Who do we choose? We've got a problem, do we solve? Who's going out there?
Number 4.
Checking the room's clear. All clear. Got to find a 4. Need that 4 to land on. Found a 4. Hang on.
Agent 22 here, the builder's got a problem.
I'm on my way.
The builder's having trouble with his bits of wood.
He's going to have to saw that extra bit off.
That's better.
But look!
That's one weird piece of wood. He's going to be here all day.
Agent's calling in. Hello, Agent.
Agent 41 here. The two signs should be the same. They should match.
The two sides match, then they didn't.
Both sides match.